Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip 6 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the sun. This is the screen brightness icon, and you can tap on it, and here you can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider. One thing to mention, this is the auto brightness button, and if it's enabled, the watch will automatically adjust the brightness to the surrounding light. So if you don't like to change the brightness all the time, you can just tap on the auto to enable it, and once you enable it, it will adjust the brightness automatically. And once you're done adjusting the brightness, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. You can also do this through the settings. So if you press the upper button, find the settings icon and tap on it, then tap on display, and here tap on brightness, and you can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider and then press the upper button. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to adjust the brightness. Let me bring my phone that is paired with this watch. Zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Zap application, and in the app you should see the homepage. Now tap on device. Actually, let me lower the brightness a bit because it's too bright. Oh, more like it. So in the app, you can tap on device icon and then tap on device settings. And here you should see display and brightness, and you can tap on it. And you can adjust the brightness on your watch by swiping on the slider. You can also enable or disable the auto brightness. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.